All right, guys, so let's see now how we're going to do it for Windows. So open a browser, and we're going to go to nifi.apache.org like we did in the previous one. We're going to download the NiFi binary. We're going to choose the bin zip. It's the same process. Click on it. This will download. In the meantime, let's do the following. We're going to go to a location on our computer. I'm going to do it on desktop, and I'm going to say NiFi installation. You want to unzip it, extract all, help for you guys. We're going to jump in and go to configuration like we did there. We're going to take a copy of this bad boy here, and now we're going to edit it. Use your editor of choice, and we're going to look for port. There you go. Pop us up to 8080, and this one I'm going to put it 8181. Save it, close it, go back to the installation folder, go to the binary. Now what you want to do is run the run/nifi.bat. Before you run it, press shift, click right, and run it as administrator. The reason why is because he's going to look through some Java libraries, and he's going to have access. He's going to require access to some of the executables on your machine. This window is going to stay open. We're going to go back to our logs, and we're going to refresh this one. And what we want to do, we want to look at the NiFi log app. It should give us a link. Anyway, what I wanted to show you guys are these URLs, this link. So what you're going to do, you're going to copy it. That's it. We're logged in.